Antelope Valley, Calabasas and Aguirre Hills, Catalina and Santa Barbara Islands, Central Ventura County Valleys, Eastern Antelope Valley Foothills, Eastern San Fernando Valley, Eastern San Gabriel Mountains, Eastern Santa Monica Mountains, Los Angeles County Beaches, Los Angeles County Inland Coast including downtown Los Angeles, Malibu Coast, Northern Ventura County Mountains, Northwestern Los Angeles County Mountains including the Interstate 5 corridor, Palos Verde Hills, San Gabriel Valley, Santa Clarita Valley, Santa Susana Mountains, Southeastern Ventura County Valleys, Southern Ventura County Mountains, Western Antelope Valley Foothills, Western San Fernando Valley, Western San Gabriel Mountains including the Highway 14 corridor and Western Santa Monica Mountains.
Crazy.